So you may ask yourself, why are hiring managers spending less than 30 seconds on your resume? And there's actually a valid response to that. So if it's your first time ever seeing me, I'm Anthony Harris. I'm a career executive for well over the last decade. I'm also the CEO and founder of Legacy Careers LLC, where we're here to help job seekers and career professionals land your job quicker and easier. So here's a lowdown on why hiring managers take less than 30 seconds to review your resume. You all see it out there. There are thousands of people applying to one job requisition. So that means there are hiring managers and recruiters sifting through thousands of resumes trying to figure out who's the best candidates. So by the time they send the top 30 or 40 candidates, our managers are looking at these applications in between not only managing their current team, going to meetings in companies, or handling crisis within the company itself. So by the time they get the job applications reviewed, they're getting 30 or 40 at a time to review, and they have 30 minutes into their next meeting. So they're having to sift through 30 or 40 resume applications within a 30-minute time period. So they're only able to spend at max 30 to 45 seconds max on each resume before they're having to just make a decision to move on to the next one. So you need to make an impact instantly because now you have less than 30 seconds because that is the crunch time that we're working on behind the scenes in order to get the recruiter or the HR team an actual yes to move you into the interview rounds. So we're on the time crunch behind the scenes, and we're trying to make sure we pick effective interviews that won't waste our time and have meet all the criteria we need to. So you need to optimize your resume so it can catch our eye in 15 seconds or less. That is a quick way for you to get our attention. If you need any assistance on optimizing your resume, make sure you go to legacycareersllc.com. We're here to help you and more. If you need anything else, Career Warriors, please let me know.